Hey guys, welcome back to WhenWearHow lifestyle with me, the marvelous, the magnificent, the amazing Tiffany. So today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm just gonna try on a couple of looks that I bought and I hope you like it. Definitely comment and tell me what you think. And let's not waste any more time. Let's just get to these looks. Alright, so this first look is called the Kallan knit dress in orange in a size medium. It's from Fashion Nova. I love it. It hugs the body very, very well. It sits off the shoulder, but it can also sit a little bit on your shoulder. It fits very well. I just love this as a great date night dress. Definitely love this dress. We'll wear it maybe on every date night. So the next dress I have here is called the Feelin knit dress, and you know I love it because it's in snake, and I'm just laying here trying to be cute in my dress, waiting for my date to arrive. And what I love about this dress is it's so soft. The material is so soft and it just hugs every single curve. Like if you look at my curves, it hugs everything. It's literally like painted on my body, which I love. I paired it with my white Steve Madden pumps, and I really didn't wear a lot of jewelry with it because I feel like the dress just says enough, you know what I mean? And it's good for twerking, it's good for shaking that ass, and I just love that dress. So here I have a pair of my favorite Fashion Nova jeans that I had to reorder because my other ones were starting to like rub in the middle a little bit. I paired it with the For the Culture shirt, and I have my Souk and Sepia hat that I bought that I love. Everyone, you know, tells me it's the Apparel hat, and I just paired it with my Steve Madden booties. And I just love this. This is a great outfit for like the fall if you want to just go out and chill. I love it. Throw a blazer on. And here I have on the same Fashion Nova jeans, but I just paired it with my Malcolm X sweatshirt that I bought. I love that sweatshirt. I actually got it from Marshall's for like 19 bucks. It was a great buy. And I just paired it with my Adidas sneakers and, you know, Army Fatigue Scully, just to like throw the colors off a little bit. And just a comfy casual wear. And now here, I was so inspired to buy another onesie that I did. The onesies are so soft at Fashion Nova. So this is a onesie, and it hugs my body. I bought it in a medium. And I also bought some sexy lingerie. I love to put on lingerie and just like wear it in the house, just to make myself feel sexy. So if you look at it, it's like strappy all over. I got it from Nova. And I will definitely put the link in the description. It has garter for your thighs. It has a choker for the neck so he can yank your neck up. It covers the nips, but then the bottom of your breast is hanging out, and it's kind of like this leatherette, you know, bodysuit kind of thing happening that I love at the bottom, and it straps all over the place. I think it's just super sexy, and I love it. I can't wait to put it on and walk around the house. Okay, so that's it. That's enough. I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm trying on all these clothes. I hope you liked everything. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. Woo! Oh, yeah. Okay, so I hope you like it. I'm a little dizzy now. I hope you liked everything. Everything is very comfortable. I'm definitely gonna, like I said, put the links in the description box so you'll know where I got everything from and how much. And definitely don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and like, comment, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and just watch a few other videos that I have, because you're gonna love them. Alright, thanks so much. Remember, every day is a runway, so strut your stuff. And that's a wrap, guys. Shit, I broke it.